Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this drink. Yes, it looks very nice, very beautiful, but it is a little bit complex to make. Nonetheless, it's very delicious and it will give you flashbacks from back in your childhood. Bon appetit. Alright guys, so let's move on to the shot. The first thing you are going to need is rum chata. Does it matter how you layer the shot? Yes, it does. So you're going to want rum chata, then you're going to want to follow it up with the tequila rose, then by the Hypnotic. And yes, if you buy off brand, it will affect it as well. Different alcohol has different viscosity. Different viscosity is not original to this. So it might be a little off, so it will affect the drink. So without further ado, let's jump right in. First thing, rum chata, 1/3 of this, or kind of close to 1/3 as you possibly can get it. There you go. Then you're gonna wanna follow it up with a little bit of tequila rose. So let's get this right in there. Remember, you're gonna wanna use your trusty spoon and be very gentle with it. I know I'm constantly looking down at the drink because I don't wanna mess up. It looks very simple and easy, but it does take time. So after you pour the tequila rose, you're gonna wanna move it right back. Clean your bar spoon. Always keep one of these napkins right behind you, just something trusty. Put it right there. Get the Hypnotic. Go very gentle with it. Patience. Patience is a virtue right here. And I know I'm looking down all the whole time, but there's a reason for it. I don't want to mess up the shot. There you go, you guys. Bam. Perfect. Beautiful. Look at that. Ready to get sipped. I'm spilling some of it all over the place, making a mess. All right, guys, so there you have it. The cotton candy shot. Yes, it does bring a whole bunch of flashbacks back to me when I was a kid. Used to get cotton candy, used to get candy wasted. Now I'm actually getting alcohol wasted with this right here. So if there's any drink ideas you have, anything you want me to make and create for you guys, let me know in the comments down below and I'll get to it as soon as possible. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And this is Alejandro, and I'll see you guys in the next one.